What is up, guys? Today we're changing front brake pads and rotors on the 2018 Honda Accord. This job applies for 2018 all the way to 2022, maybe even the smaller years, or I'm sorry, the older years. So let's get straight to it. So first, what I like doing before anything else is sticking a flathead and trying to recess the caliper piston right in place, so that way we don't have to use any tool to push it. And second thing that I like to do is get something like this. This is a impact screwdriver, and we're gonna use it to remove this only not gonna lose my sockets now. Okay, so the second thing that we want to do is use this to remove this only screw that's holding the brake rotor in place. Let's get a better angle. Here we go. Came right out. Okay, it's still right there. Now what I want to do is get our flathead, take these caps off. A 7mm Allen or hex bit. Those are factory timed. They're way too easy to remove. And then we have this. Actually, I made a rookie mistake. These were supposed to be inside before I take that clip off. Very sorry, guys. You have to be all the way in. So, in order to remove this clip, gonna get something that holds it like this, and then something that removes it. So here we go. Just we're supposed to put it from the back, not from the middle. Okay, now we can get to doing the rest of the job. Gonna get a brake caliper hanger. Please don't be kind of hood about it, and just use the whole caliper to hang itself on the shock. So, Jesus Christ, I hate when the ground sloped up. So this pad comes out without this cover. You want to keep this cover in place. So I'm gonna put the cover here, sorry, the hanger here. I'm gonna hang it, no stress on the brake line. Great. Okay, now 17mm swivel comes in place, comes in play. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna clean these grooves right here. Sorry, not the group, just the space. Okay, that's good. That'll ever last in a car.
Yeah.
More than like 5,000 miles.
Yeah, I've only changed the oil. That's a 2018 and it has under 40,000 miles on it.
Mm-hmm.
And I've always changed my oil at a little over the 4,000 mile mark. I've never let it go 5,000.
Yeah, that's how you keep a healthy motor.
Yeah.
Because if oil gets way too acidic, it's gonna start damaging metal components inside. So we're gonna put thread locker.
I'll just say one more thing before we record.
Go ahead. I am already recording. Go ahead.
The also what Subaru is telling people that, and I didn't hear it from him, but they're saying the transmission is a closed system and you never need to change each transmission.
Well, they tell you that so they can replace your transmission a lot earlier than they need to.
And so you change it every 25 to 30,000 miles.
If it's CVT, yeah.
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 And they have a little solenoid that when that goes, the Subaru people say you need to change the whole transmission. Well, you can just replace the
solenoid. Yeah, they're just trying to make money out of you. Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway,
yeah.
Yeah. And was your difference? They say 30,000, but you change oil.
So, I mean, it says 80, but I don't like it. It just feels way too low for me, so I'm just gonna tighten it to what I think is correct. And that impact took care of the torque spec, huh? Just making sure there's no room for play. Used to easing the product to like the way these go in, and it goes like this. So I'm gonna put this right here. Make sure that there's no air bubbles, nothing weird over here. So now this won't be really hard to install. You always want to put one side in and push the other one. Cool. And this one, these two go in here. Make sure these two recessed grooves are where they're supposed to be. Looks fantastic to me. Yep, looks like we're good. And before we install it, I'm gonna use some brake grease. That was a lot of brake grease. I'll just put it right here. Okay. I'm gonna make sure everything stays in place. Oops. And we're not gonna forget about the Loctite, which is blue thread locker. Loctite. Ooh, that's a lot. That was by accident. I already had grease on my hand, so I'm gonna use that to grease the slide pin. I'm gonna take this. These get torqued up to 25 foot-pounds. All right, let's see. Yeah, scratch everything I taught you earlier in the video and do it with your hand. It does not hurt at all. Okay, looks like we're good to go. So just to recap, we cleaned the hub, we cleaned the rotor, we got this screw in, this thread lock, this and that, 25 foot-pound, 25 foot-pound, 85 for the bracket bolts, and made sure the brake line, there's no stress on it, it's not twisted. Put this, we greased the brake pads. Gonna make sure that the shield is not contacting the rotor in any form. I'm just gonna push it away just a little bit. Okay. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and straighten the wheel, and we're gonna straighten the knuckle and put the wheel back. Go. All right, that was it for the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Please comment below. If you like the way I did the work, give me a like and a share and possibly a subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.